I just learned recently that Bourbon and Books was named one of the 101 best websites for writers by Writers Digest. I'll be honest, that wasn't something that I set out to do when I started this channel. What really surprised me, though, wasn't necessarily the recognition, although that was fantastic. It was realizing why this kind of content resonates with writers in the first place. When I started teaching writing many years ago, I thought that the most helpful thing I could do was explain technique, plot structure, dialogue, scene construction, all those types of things. These are what writers are told they need to learn. But over time, I really started noticing a pattern that made me shift. The writers who were struggling the most weren't really struggling because they didn't know enough. They were struggling because they were trying to solve the wrong problem. They would revise and revise and revise, tightening sentences, adjusting scenes, improving dialogue, all of those things that I was teaching, the technique. But the story still didn't feel quite right, and they couldn't explain why. I set out to figure out the answer to those whys. And that's when my approach to teaching really changed. So instead of asking, how do we improve this writing? What technique can we tackle today? I started asking, what is this story actually missing? Is it clarity? Is it momentum? Is it emotional weight? Is it a visible direction? Once we started identifying those things, that's when things started to change. So when I saw that Bourbon and Books had been recognized by Writers Digest, it didn't necessarily feel like a validation of me. It felt like confirmation of something I have believed for a long, long time, and that is that writers don't really need more advice. What they need is better clarity. That is what I needed when I was first starting and then many years into my career. I needed someone to help me see what was actually happening in my story. And now that's what I help others do. And I think that's what most people need. So if your story feels like it should be working, but it isn't, here's the question I want you to start asking. First, what not to ask. Don't ask, how do I fix this? Instead, ask, what is this story not showing clearly yet? Because that is where the problem lives, most likely. And that is where the solution starts. When you know what the problem is, you can tackle the solution. That is exactly what we're doing in the Diagnosing the Problem series. Each video focuses on a specific issue, the kind of thing that keeps stories from working even when the writing is strong. And it's not really about technique or tips and tricks. It is about diagnosing the problem. If this way of thinking resonates with you, make sure that you watch the entire series and start diagnosing the problems that might exist in your stories. Thank you, Writers Digest.
You need keep working just to get it.